안녕하세요. Dahee TV Korean Class 101입니다. Hi, this is Dahee TV Korean Class 101. Enjoy watching and enjoy learning Korean. Let's start. Dress. 드레스 or 옷. 드레스 or 옷. Duck. 오리. 오리. Ear. 귀, 귀. Egg, 달걀 or 계란. 달걀 or 계란. Elephant, 코끼리, 코끼리. Evening, 저녁, 저녁. Eye, 눈, 눈. Face, 얼굴, 얼굴. Family, 가족, 가족. Farm, 농장, 농장. Let's review. It's quiz time.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
농장, 농장. 가족, 가족. 얼굴, 얼굴. 눈, 눈. 저녁, 저녁. 코끼리, 코끼리. 달걀 or 계란. 달걀 or 계란. 귀, 귀. 오리, 오리. 드레스 or 옷. 드레스 or 옷. Time's up! Perfect ka na ba this time? Comment your score below. By the way, shout out to Jael Morata. She's the first ever Dahee TV subscriber who got the perfect score for day 3 video. Sino kaya ang susunod? Let's see! By the way, I'm inviting you to watch also my other Korean class videos. Until here, so thanks for watching my video. See you again next time. 다음 시간에 또 만나요. 안녕! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share my videos. Until next time!